Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Iotex price prediction and Iotex news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Iotex in 2022. Starting in 2017 as an open source project, Iotex has grown into a decentralized platform that empowers open economies for machines. It is an open ecosystem where humans and machines can interact with guaranteed trust, free will, and properly designed economic incentives. With a global team of over 40 scientists and engineers, Iotex has built its EVM-compatible blockchain from the ground up using the innovative role-pose consensus mechanism. The launch of the main network with over 100 delegates worldwide took place in April 2019. To date, the network has processed more than 10 million transactions. On top of the Iotex blockchain, key infrastructure blocks have been created to communicate with Ethereum, BSC and Hiko blockchains. The founders of Iotex are Roland Kai, Kevin Guo, Xingxin Fan, and Jing Sun. So let's move on to the latest news of this cryptocurrency. Iotex co-founder urges crypto investors to hodl amid market conditions. The market could easily reach new all-time highs by the end of the year, says Iotex co-founder Dr. Roland Kai. As the market dips over escalating tensions in Eastern Europe, Dr. Roland Kai, the co-founder and CEO of blockchain network Iotex, is urging crypto investors to hold on to their crypto. The Russian army recently started its advance on Ukraine, firing missiles on the second-largest European country. Following this, crypto markets took a nosedive, with all the top coins dropping between 8% and 18%, according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro. However, despite the current market conditions, Kai tells holders to think twice before selling their digital assets. Kai told Cointelegraph that, while it's not impossible for Bitcoin, BTC, to fall below $10,000 and Ethereum, ETH, to fall below $800, the market could easily reach new all-time highs by the end of the year. He explained, "I would certainly not encourage investors to sell their crypto now in the hopes of buying back at a cheaper price financial system and harm their ability to operate globally." But what comes as a more unexpected and possibly more painful move is that the allies also said they commit to imposing restrictive measures that will prevent the Russian central bank from deploying its international reserves in ways that undermine the impact of our sanctions. According to Rob Person, an associate professor of international relations at the U.S. Military Academy in West Point, this would mean that the central bank won't be able to access most of its reserves for currency interventions or exchange dollars and euros for rubles. Yesterday, the allies also committed to acting against the people and entities who facilitate the war in Ukraine and the harmful activities of the Russian government. Taking measures to limit the sale of citizenship, so-called golden passports that let wealthy Russians connected to the Russian government become citizens of these countries and gain access to their financial systems. Launching this coming week a transatlantic task force that will ensure the effective implementation of the financial sanctions. Employing sanctions and other financial and enforcement measures on additional Russian officials and elites close to the Russian government, as well as their families and their enablers, to identify and freeze the assets they hold in the jurisdictions of the allies. On Sunday morning, Kyiv is reported to be still under Ukrainian control despite increased Russian efforts to take the capital of Ukraine. Zilidv and is more akin to trading than investing, he explained. Having said that, it can be a good idea to add to your crypto portfolio when prices fall to lower your cost basis, as long as you are investing in tokens with strong utility and trustworthy docs developers. Dr. Kai's Iotex project is an Internet of Things, IoT, blockchain, and, with a market cap in excess of $700 million, their token, IOTX, is one of the 100 most popular cryptocurrencies in the world. Disclaimer: this article is provided for informational purposes only. It is not offered or intended to be used as legal, tax, investment, financial, or other advice. And setting up mines that provide a steady source of income. 100 planets, one-of-a-kind planet NFTs. 6 types of planets go to auction. Fire, rock, grass, water, toxic, and food. Each of them has its battle properties that grant advantages to its owners. They provide users with additional earning potential. Planet holders can also host tournaments and charge battle fees. Other in-game benefits are faster travel to nomadic star mines, increased fighting skills, and other perks announced in due time. The auction takes place in the game. On January 17th, the Starcrazy app will display a countdown clock, letting gamers know how much time remains before the January 18 auction that kicks off at 10 a.m. UTC GMT. However, each of the 100 planets is a unique NFT masterpiece created by highly talented artists and graphic designers. Starcrazy's performance is insane. The Iotex-powered P2E game has taken the blockchain gaming space by storm. It launched on September 27, 2021, and within 6 weeks, it already had over 3,000 players who, from the start, get hooked by its adorable stars characters, as commented by Angela Briggs-Scott of TechBillion. Starcrazy also features battles, reminiscent of Axie Infinity. But Starcrazy beats Axie in so many respects. Most notably, the fact that the star-crazy token GFS is 100%. Well, according to tradition, at the end of the video, our modest analytical forecasts about this cryptocurrency. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in IOTX, or whether IOTX will survive in the next few years are unknown. IOTX is currently worth $0.074 United States dollars with a hefty capitalization, making it rated 96 on the list of the most valuable coins. IOTX price prediction 2022. For a long-term IOTX price forecast, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average IOTX price will rise to around $0.100 by 2022 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 11 cents with a minimum price $0.096 level. IOTX price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of IOTX will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 17 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 14 cents with a maximum price of 17 cents for 2023. IOTX rate prediction 2024. IOTX will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the IOTX rate will hit new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2024, the IOTX rate will be almost 20 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 24 cents. IOTX average price forecast for the end of 2024 could be around 20 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. IOTX price prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. IOTX could cross 35 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around 31 cents. IOTX price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, IOTX prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be 47 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the IOTX maximum price could be up to 52 cents in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. IOTX price prediction 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for IOTX will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2027 may end with an average rate of 66 cents and a minimum rate of 64 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 78 cents. IOTX rate prediction 2028. The value of IOTX will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2028 is bullish. IOTX is expected to top out at $1.11 by the end of 2028, according